Good morning. This is second class of our machine design, and today we will cover classification of machine design. This is our topic. I have not written here. This is the topic, classification of machine design. Actually, there are three types of machine design. This classifications is three types. One is adaptive design. I will be explain what is it. Second, development design, and third one is new design, right? Let's come to first one, adaptive design. The name is telling what is its mean. Adaptive means adapt something. Adaptive means adapt something. What will be adapt? A new design? No. Existing design will be adapt existing design. For example, this is a pen, okay? It is made by some Goldex, company name is Goldex, and you are decided to make a same type of pen, right? And you have to be sell in the market. So what you do, you will be just copy the design. No need of you will not modify anything. The color, the material used, the size of this pen, you have copy all the things and made same type of design and sell in the market. This is called adaptive design. What is actually? It's a consent with existing design. As I give the example, it's a Goldex company pen, and this pen is already in the market. You are decided to make this type of pen and sell in the market. You have no you don't have any idea of design, you don't have any knowledge of materials, you don't have any machine ability, technical skill. In that case, what you will do, you just copy the existing design. This is called adaptive design. No spatial skill required. If you are copying some other's design, there is no need of any spatial skill required here, right? Ordinary technical training is required. How to mold, how to place it, how to make the heat, up to how many temperature will be melted. These are the minimum ordinary technical skills required to make, but the design you are copy from the other company, right? It's called adaptive design. Next, come to development design. Development design says the same design is in the market, you copy it, but you think if I copy the same to same, then why my product is new one, customer will purchase. Why? Because there is also a Goldex pen in the market, have a good market capture, and you are copying the same design. Why customer will go for your product? Nothing else, no any new here, so no one will be purchase your. So you think you will be develop little bit more. What more? You think I will be connect a pencil in the top of this pen. Suppose here, sorry, this type is pen right in the ball pen, or you decided to put a pencil or graphite inside the opposite side. It's the development, because the design is already in the market and you are thinking to develop something new. So you are just put the pencil needle just opposite of this ball pen. This is called development. Develop, but not a completely new one. It's already in the existing, already design exists in the market. You are developing this one, but little bit. Okay. For that, scientific training and design ability is required, right? Because you are designing the new one, something design. Not think about this pen. You just think about a engine. Okay. In the engine, there is the power cc, cubic centimeter, how much you know that, the cooling the fins is required, how much length, what you need, everything. Sorry, you just put the design of a sub company and you think I have to be developed little bit more, because you think that some companies design is not so good because the cooling capacity is not good, the engine capacity is not good, but the same thing inside part is whatever that, you just copy that and you just develop something, the fin size, the width, thickness, the material, you just a little bit of change of this design, that called development. Okay, for that scientific training and design ability required, right? And adaptive new idea, you are adopting a new idea, right? Some you will be research some other companies, other part, other material, and you adopt some new technology, new idea also. And different method of manufacturing, you maybe take the different method of manufacturing because you think that the machine, whatever the machine or engine is the market, they have made by molding, by using the some patterns, and you think you will be use some machinery like lathe, shaper, milling, you will be think that will be make or manufacture with a different mechanism, different machines, that is called the development, right? Development design. Then third part comes new design. What is new design? New design is completely new. There should not be any product in the market. For example, now a time for written, there is a pen is available in the market. There is pencil also available in the market. Sketch pen is also available in the market. There is, you just think, if I just move on my finger, then in the blackboard it will be written. This is the new idea. Not a single company till now made this type of product. You understand or not? You think that if I just rotate my finger in the blackboard or some other board, then it will be written. No need of suppose the chalk, pen, paper. You think that is the new design. Not a single company made till now. What are the skill, what are the material, what is the basic board or your sensor, whatever the materials required, this is the new research part, right? So for that lot of research is required. What to do, what is the new thing you can do, this is the research part. You have to be study lot of books, you have to be go through the lots of product, lots of technique, lots of technological idea. For that you will be conclude, you will be get some knowledge how to make a new product, right? And technical ability skill also required. High technical ability is required because you are developing a new product. Till now there is this type of design, this type of product is not in the market, so you are developing a new one. For that a technical ability, a high skill technical ability is required, right? Then creative thinking. Think about some day before there was a just like keypad phone, Nokia. It was a huge company in the market. I think everyone's house there was a phone named Nokia. That technology was simple keypad methods, put call button and go and can talk to anyone, right? But now a time it's a development. What is development? Android phones comes out, new applications we can put, we can download, we can offload in our mobile, we can do lots of things. This is the new design, this is the creative thinking, right? In the future there may be a lots of creative parts will be come in the market. For that, to design a new product, to design a new concept, you have to be research lot of books, you have to be research lot of product, you have to be research lot of technical tools, right? And you have some technical ability also to develop a new product, and also some, and main thing is creative thinking. Without creative thinking, produce a new product and develop a new product, I don't think it is possible now at time. So this much is in our classification of machine design part. In the next part we will be cover other part. Thank you so much.